Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of your tips, tricks, and tools. This week I'm going to be talking to you about how to schedule reaching out to your database to your clients. The gurus will say that you should reach out to them a minimum of 20 times a year, and I have heard as high as 37 times a year. So what I would like you to do this week is to crack out the calendar and figure out how you're going to do that. Couple of suggested ideas are print newsletters, email newsletters, sending promotional items such as pads and pens, doing client appreciation events, sending CMAs to your clients, sending home show tickets to your clients. And I think if you check Chubb, if it hasn't happened already, I do think the home show, the big home show tickets are going to be available because I'm pretty sure that takes place in March. Calendars at the end of the year, Christmas cards, all of that adds up into this total of how many times you're going to reach out to your clients. So please take your calendars, figure out how you're going to do it, schedule it, and stick to it. Hope you guys have a great night. I also wanted to say to you, have an amazing day tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be there. As you may or may not be able to tell, I am in New York right now. I have the great pleasure of attending the Inman conference this week. So I will be missing you guys tomorrow at the breakfast. Please know I will be there in spirit. I'm so happy for each and every one of you. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing year, and know that we were all blessed and privileged to work for an amazing brokerage. Have a great day.